What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be replacing my tail light, brake lights, the marker lights, and I'm also going to be changing the backup lights on my 2014 Subaru Crosstrek. Now, I decided rather than just go the route of buying a new bulb, the bulbs didn't seem to last too long. I ended up ordering these from Diode. These are going to be my tail lights and my brake lights. And once I get them all the package, you'll see they're pretty heavy duty light. These are going to be the side marker lights. And then I'm also going to be putting in new backup lights. So these are going to be even brighter than the ones that are in there right now. So let's get the camera moved over. I'll show you how to get the rear tail light lens off, and then we'll start swapping some bulbs. Alright, so the only thing you really have to do is go after these two bolts right here. Now, I tried to loosen them up with a Phillips head screwdriver for the first time. They're on there pretty tight, so what I'm going to use is a 10mm socket. Pop it on there. Back that one out. Don't lose your bolts, so put them up somewhere you're going to know where they are. Now, these don't come off that easy. Now, some of you might say this is gross, but what I'll do is I'll lick my palm a little bit, push on here. That's all you have to do to pop her off. And you can see the only thing that really holds this on are the two pins and the slide here. So try not to break them when you take them off, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. Alright, just so this is a little bit easier so people can see, so you're not getting blasted by the sun here, I'm going to show you how to take this whole lens off. So right here is the connector for it. Give it a squeeze and pull it out. That's all there is to it. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. First we're going to remove the tail and brake light. So you can see it's got a little tab here and a little tab here, so counterclockwise turn till it stops, and then lift it right out. And you can see all these bulbs are already turning black, well, getting a blackish like feature to them. So let's unplug that one, set her aside. Mostly going to be going for this outside marker light. So same thing, counterclockwise turn, lift it out. So that one's starting to get that little blackish hue to it too. You have to rock it a little bit to get it out of there. Put that one down. And then we're going to be going after the backup light. So same thing, counterclockwise turn, and pull it right out of the hole. Alright, I'm going to set this aside really quick here. Now, here's something else I'm going to be using. Is some Mission Automotive silicone paste. And I'll be putting that on the contacts down here. Just make sure we have a good connection. That way any dirt or debris is going to get in there. It's not going to affect the light working properly. So now you can get them put back in. And that's all there is to it. Simple, easy push in. I'm just going to put it in the hole so it's out of the way for right now. this one in. Give it a push in place. And then we're gonna get the LED for the tail and brake lights in. That one's actually one really easy. I'm very impressed with that light. So what I'm gonna do is get everything put back in here. I'm gonna put the main connector back on, and then I'm gonna make sure that all the lights work, because there is a possibility that a 50-50 chance that I got them put in wrong, and it is possible to put these in backwards. There's just no way to know until you actually do it. Alright, so just remember, when you're reinstalling this, you're going to have the pins lined up and the slide section here lined up with this right up here. Let's get her plugged back in. It only goes in one way. Make sure it clicks. You can see down the crack down here. Just look and see if you're getting your pins lined up. And you can feel it when you're in the slot there. Give it a little push forward. That's all there is to it. We'll move the camera over here. And we'll get the bolts back in. You don't have to put them in so tight that they're going to snap off. You just need to hold it in place. Trunk or hatch is pretty much holding it in place. You don't have to fold this over in half and crank on it or nothing like that. Just hand tight. Alright. We'll move you over here so you can take a look and see how bright these lights actually are. This is the backup light. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. And the other side is exactly like this side. It's just that simple. So, as I said before, there's no sense you go in the dealership to have someone work on your car. You can do this all yourself. Save yourself a couple bucks. Work on your own car. Good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, and I'll answer pretty much everybody that sends me a question. We'll talk to y'all later. Take care now. Bye. Alright, so I completed the other side, switching all three bulbs. It took about 5 minutes to do that side.